All right, when was the last time that you complained about maybe your dentures being loose? Or were you embarrassed to smile in a photo because of missing teeth? If you feel like I'm talking to you, Dr. David Tambor may have something that could help you, and it's called mini dental implants. Doctor, thank you for coming back.
It's my pleasure, Tina.
I know that is maybe just two of the instances where this could really change someone's life, but kind of tell me a little bit more about these dental implants.
Well, they've been around for almost about 18 years or so. I placed my first ones in 1998, and they are a wonderful alternative to conventional implants, which also work great, but are significantly more expensive than mini implants. Mini implants are less invasive, less painful, less time involved. They work great for patients. It's been a wonderful procedure, and patients love them.
And patients love them. I know last time you were on, we heard one of your patients who was almost in tears, that she was just so happy with the results and how much it really changed her life and what it could do for her. And I know you said you did your first in '98, but how long have you actually been in practice?
I've been in practice for over 30 years.
Yeah.
And this has been one of the, and I'm a techie. I've been into a lot of advanced technology. This is one of the most just special advancements that I've seen in dentistry over the last 31 years. It's just been a tremendous thing. Over 50 million Americans have dentures. Mm-hmm. Many more than that are missing teeth. Yeah. And it doesn't have to be a full set of teeth. It could be individual teeth. It's just a tremendous procedure that's cost effective, and it's much easier for patients. And
you know, I think some people, you just end up dealing with it. You're like, oh, this is just the way it is. I'm always going to have this one tooth that's missing, or I'm always going to have these loose dentures, until you actually hear something like us right now, and they're like, that's me. I'm the person that he's talking to, and this seems like the perfect solution to what I'm going through. So when we're talking about the perfect candidate, who is the perfect candidate?
Gosh, anybody who's missing a tooth or multiple teeth or all their teeth. One of the great advantages of mini dental implants is that there's less bone necessary in the jaw. So I would say at least 90% of the patients that come in that are asking about it are good candidates. That's huge. Absolutely.
And this, what I take away each time we talk, this is just such a secure option, because show us how it works, because when I say secure, it's really going to make sense once you show.
It really does. So a lower denture is probably the most commonly difficult restoration to have for patients. And we're able to put in 4 mini dental implants, and then we can make a lower denture with little attachments, and it snaps in place. And they can eat apples, they can eat corn on the cob. It's an amazing change for them from where normally they're having to either put the goopy paste or it's flopping around. I think anybody who has lower dentures knows this experience. Yep. So this is a phenomenal cost-effective procedure for them.
You know, just hearing the little snap, to me, just ensures that security. And I've had people in my family where you've had to take the corn on the cob and kind of take it off of the cob. And that's, again, just a part of your everyday life. And you don't even maybe think that you've just dealt with it so long. There's an answer out there. And we were talking about the lowers, but we also said whether it's one tooth or many teeth, you also have an example of that.
We do. I have plenty of patients who come in and they are missing a single tooth.
Yes.
And we can actually have somebody missing one tooth come in, place a mini dental implant, and put a crown on it in one visit and walk out with a tooth that they can eat on that day.
Wow.
We can do it also if you're missing a few teeth. So if you're missing about, this was actually missing about 3 teeth, and we can make a bridge that goes in place, and it's like you got your tooth back. And these are permanent. These do not come out.
Yeah.
It's an amazing procedure.
So in the kind of wrapping up of this, this is basically going to replace dentures. If you're using dentures, toss them out.
That's my hope.
Yes.
I think it would be, I think almost any dentist would hope for their patients to be able to move past wearing dentures. Yep. This makes it affordable for most people, and I think that's a great thing.
Well, the beginning of that is they have to reach out to you, Doctor. So I'm going to tell them how to do that. But thank you so much for coming back.
Thanks, Tina. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. To learn more, just call 298-6026 or log on to TucsonMiniDentalImplants.com.